You ever seen a company that lost its way? Because they're trying to be so many things to so many people. If this customer wants me to do this, I'll do this. If this customer wants me to do this, I'll do this, because he said if he doesn't do this, he's going to go over there and start doing business with them. The greatest companies know who they are. They know their strengths. They know their weaknesses. They know where they shine. They know where their sweet spot is. Where is the best version of themselves. And nothing is going to pull them away. And when they make decisions based on principle and what is our standard. Principle, which is this on purpose, and is this within our values? And does this meet the standard that we've always... They don't go, well, if I make this decision, the politics in our organization won't allow us to do this. Great teams are not politically driven teams, they're purpose-driven teams. And they will always put purpose ahead of personality. And sometimes that's hard, isn't it, you all? And they will say no far more than they say yes. The more rigorous you become, you have to decide, am I going to live a shotgun life or a laser beam life? What's a shotgun life, you guys? What's a shotgun life? Busy. You are all over the map. Listen, do not equate motion with achievement. Do not equate busyness with impact. Purpose-driven people are this narrow in terms of what they focus on. The average company cannot do any more than 3 major initiatives at any one time. The average person cannot handle any more than 3 major initiatives in their life at any one time. I heard my son teaching a group yesterday virtually, and I heard him say, these are the 3 goals in my life right now, my 1s and 2s, where I get 80% of my impact towards my purpose. Chris, what were they? Health? Health and family. That's 3 right there. Health and family, that's 3. That's West Virginia. That's West Virginia map.
You know my third?
Yep.
My third's my career.
And your career. And when you decide what you're going to focus on, you have to decide what you're not going to focus on. That's the hardest part. Because if you're going to be a true yes person to your purpose, you've got to be a no person to a lot of things. And that's going to disappoint some people. We don't do anything that is not within our purpose. Well, so-and-so is going to get upset. If so-and-so gets upset with us because we are being true to who we are as a company, as an organization, as a person, that person is really not my friend. That person is not really not my friend. My friends will recognize that I have the discipline in my life and the tenacity to say, no, I'm sorry, I can't do that because right now that is not on purpose for me. I'm sorry, but that's not on purpose for me. And you're sincere. You're not using that as weaponizing language to escape responsibility. Make sense? Are you purpose-driven? Or are you people-pleasing driven? That requires a lot of inner work.